Good morning, student of class 8th. How are you? I hope you all will be fine at your home. As you know, stores have been opened and you can buy your books and copies from the market. And you can write homework in fair copy. Now, in the previous classes, I had taught you first chapter of your English grammar, that is parts of speech. I had told you that there are 8 parts of speech. Today, I will describe about first part of parts of speech, that is noun. A noun is a word used for naming some person, place, thing, idea, feeling or quality. What is a noun? A noun is a word used for naming some person, place, thing, idea, feeling or quality. There can be 5 kinds of noun. Proper noun, that is the name of a particular person, place or thing. Name of particular person, place or thing, such as Vipin, Delhi, India, Ganga, etc. Second, common noun, the name given to any and every person, place or thing of the same kind. The name given to anything of the same kind, that is man, example, woman, teacher, etc. Third, collective noun, the name given to a group or collection of similar person or thing, as people, crowd, army, police, crew, flock, etc. Collective noun, what is collective noun? The name given to a group of collection of similar person or things. What is fourth, material noun, the name given to a material or substance of which things are made. What is material noun? The name given to material of which things are made. Substance of things are made, such as iron, gold, milk, meat, leather, wool, etc. Fifth type of noun is abstract noun, which you can't touch. The name given to a quality or state or action, such as goodness, kindness, laughter, theft, childhood, etc. Also, the name of arts and sciences are also abstract nouns, such as philosophy, music, chemistry, physics, etc. Now come to second part of pronoun, that is, a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. There are 7 kinds of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. There are 7 kinds of pronoun. First, personal pronoun. First person, I, me, mine, we, myself, our, ourselves. Second person, you, yours, yourself. Third person, he, him, himself, she, her, herself, it, itself, they, their, themselves. These are called third person. Personal pronoun are of 3 types: first person, second person, third person. First person is I, me, mine, myself. Second person is you, your, yourselves, and third person he, she, it, they, and themselves, herself, etc. Second is demonstrative. Demonstrative means pronoun. In demonstrative pronoun, this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those. Third, relative pronoun. Who, whom, whose, which is called relative pronoun. Fourth, interrogative pronoun. Who, whose, whom, what, which is called comes in interrogative pronoun, which is used for asking questions. Now, indefinite pronoun. One, once, none, all, some, etc. come in indefinite pronoun. 6, distributive pronoun. Each, either, neither come in distributive pronoun. 7th, reciprocal pronoun. Each, other, one, other comes in reciprocal pronoun. Again, indefinite pronoun. 5th one is indefinite pronoun. One, once, none, all, some comes in indefinite pronoun. Distributive pronoun. Each, either, neither comes in distributive pronoun. And reciprocal pronoun. Each, either, one, another comes in reciprocal pronoun. Now, as you know, markets have been opened and you can buy books from market and write homework in fair copy. And for today's homework, revise noun and pronoun. Thank you.